Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Solana, your daily update. There's enough to talk about right now. The technicals are not looking great, but we already knew something like that was possible yesterday. Yesterday, what I said and what we talked about is that we already got some bearish confirmation. Saturday morning, we already got bearish confirmation. But then again, I mean, if you look at the technicals right now, Solana purely technically, and we're getting right into the analysis, hopefully you don't mind, but Solana technically is still consolidating, all right? So that means that it's moving sideways in this range between $106 and $85. So that's technically still the situation. But then if you look at the markets around Solana, let me quickly look that up because I do think that that's important. Like this, if you look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is far from strong. Bitcoin has been way stronger than this, all right? And Solana, as most of you do know, at least on the short term, is quite correlated to Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin is bearish, Solana also shows bearish momentum. And then apart from that, what you can also see is that for the first time in a while, Solana is actually respecting the resistance of certain trending indicators, such as this trend line, such as the EMAs, which is again a bearish confirmation. So I'm not trying to be overly bearish on Solana here. And most of you know that I've been bullish until the last moment, all right? Or bullish, at least. I've always said that I still thought a bullish breakout for Solana would be most likely until we got that confirmation that we dropped down below $97 and that we did not, or that Solana did not break above that. That for me, in combination with what we're seeing from Bitcoin, was the last blow into becoming a little bit more bearish on Solana. Now, I'm not fully bearish yet. I still think, I mean, if you look at Solana, the total value locked, there's no huge decreases in the strong fundamentals of Solana, all right, which is something you would expect if the price is going to fall down. But then again, I mean, Solana has been holding on fairly well. At some point of time, if a crypto is holding on fairly well, but the market around it is very bearish, at some point of time, it's just going to fall, all right? And that's an alert, which is pretty interesting, but it's for later. So at some point in time, it's going to fall. And then apart from that, what you can also see for Solana is that the open interest right now, it's just not really going anywhere. There's a little bit of an increase right here, but that's just because the markets are opening. So there's no real momentum. I think what's going to happen is right now we're already testing the support levels. I think that's going to continue. Solana will test that level between $90 and $85. I initially expect support. And I also do think that there's a possibility that we'll rally back up to $97 because I also expect that there's a chance of bullish momentum for Bitcoin. But I don't expect that we'll break above that. It's a possibility, of course, it's crypto, but I expect us to find resistance there and eventually just stay on top of $85 until it breaks, which is something I also do expect somewhere in probably the next week or week and a half, followed by a move down to $75. That's what I expect, all right? For now, that's what I expect, both technically and... Well, technically, this makes most sense. Also, given in the complete context of the markets. Fundamentally, I would say Solana... That's also why I expect it to hold support. Fundamentally, I still think Solana is pretty good, but... Like I said, I mean, fundamentals only matter so much in this crypto world. So even though that's good to know, I still do think that this is the most likely scenario. So I'll keep you updated on this. If anything changes in the markets, then I'll be the first to tell you. But for now, this is what I expect. This is what I think is most likely, and this is all you need to know. So thank you for watching. Take care. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group, but that's up to you. And for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.